Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Scansnap ix1300 LED. So here you can see it, Scansnap ix1300. So it's in this box. So I will show it to you. There's some stickers here onto it. This is the address. Yeah, here is the serial number and stuff. It's just a normal box. So here you see it. It's also for the UK. It weighs 3 kilograms. So okay, we are going to open it. I never opened it, so this is my first time. So we go to see what's inside of it. Okay, so you have the box, and then to begin with the instruction manual. So this is to see how everything works. So I see here that the scanner is locked, so for transportation it is locked. So we are going to still leave it like that for now. Voila. This is the, this is for the electricity, as you can see. And then you have here the scanner itself. Voila. I just take it out like this. Voila, this is the scanner. And then some packaging, and below inside of the box is still this, as you can see. Voila. Here you see an EU plug, and here you see a UK plug. So there are two plugs inside of it, and then you see here an USB-A cable, some manual, and then here something left. No, nothing left anymore. No, it's empty. So here you see it, the box is completely empty. So I'm going to put this back. And then, yeah, we're going to check out everything. So the instruction manual, here you see the adapter, the USB-A cable, voila. I show it to you. So it's this is the USB-A. This we don't need, that's a UK power plug, so we are not going to unbox that, but I will show it to you just in case. I will open it, hold on. This is the EU plug, so as you can see it's a EU plug, and this is the UK plug. I am unboxing this also. Voila, this is the UK plug, as you can see it, and then here, yeah, we have the SnapScan. I'm not sure where to start. We're going to start somewhere here. Voila, voila. This opens, and then what it says? Okay, this you have to take out. Voila, and then there is more. Okay, yeah. Here you see some tape. And here you see some tape. Voila. As you can see it, I open up the tape, and then it says what it says, 1, 2. Voila, here you also have things. Voila, open this. Voila. And then 3. And then 4, the back, yes. Here you have the back. You have to pull this out, voila, like this. Voila, that's for to unlock the scanner, I think. And I think this is it. 4. I go to check it very fast. Yeah, I believe this is this. Yeah, it is that. There is nothing more onto it. One, 2. I go to check it again. 1, 2. Voila, this is good. This is good. 2. Okay, this opens automatically, as you can see. Voila. This is that, yes. Voila, this was the unboxing, as you can see it. This is the entire box. So this is the scanner. So here you see it, it is with Wi-Fi button, VPS button. Here you can see it. It's for the USB cable connection. So you have the USB and the power supply. And then yeah, this is the scanner. voila, you can open it like this. Voila, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away very nice prizes to subscribers, laptops, Bluetooth stuff, things like that. Hit the subscribe button now because you can win something. When you win something, you will get notified. The only thing you have to do is subscribe. So hit the subscribe button now. And I also want to ask, if you like this video, please like it, because if you like it, then you will get more content from this, and we also will create more content from this, or like this better. So please subscribe and please like. Bye bye.